Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. My Instant Pot is only capable of extreme indifference and tremendous horniness, so I lead a life of quiet despair. I was flipping through this book, Air Fryer Every Day, because I am very interested in other people who have relationships with their appliances. Mr. Ben Mims does, and he has a recipe for crispy ribs, crispy Memphis-Style ribs. I'm not allowed to have friends, that's part of the rules, but as it turned out, Instant Pot and Air Fryer go way back from their days together working at Radio Shack. So we invited them over to make ribs.
Whew, sorry, parking the Vespa.
Hi, Mr. Ben Mims.
Hi, Kat.
Thanks for coming.
Happy to be here.
I have so many questions about so many things, but first, ribs.
Yes, they're very crispy.
Tell me about that. I haven't had crispy food in a long time. Why is Air Fryer so great for crispy things?
Air Fryer's great because he's so dry. He can be a little hot-headed sometimes, but that's great for crispy ribs.
Tell me about crispy ribs. How do you make them?
First, you start out with pork spare ribs. You cut them individually so they cook faster. Then you add some paprika for spice, some brown sugar for sweetness, some salt. Gotta make sure it tastes okay.
Only monsters don't put salt in their food, and I can already tell, Mr. Ben Mims, you're not a monster.
Trying not to be. Next up, garlic powder.
Why?
It tastes good.
You can do things that make you happy, that just benefit you?
That's how it works, right?
Air Fryer, hi. How long have you and Instant Pot been friends?
Next we have onion powder.
After I've eaten things that Instant Pot doesn't like, I have to go to the shame corner
There's
then.
some mustard powder, poultry seasoning, and then black pepper, just because.
Can I touch your skin?
Ribs are ready.
Mr. Ben Mims, you wrote this book, and it's called Air Fryer Every Day. Does that mean the two of you get to be together every day, and there aren't some days when you have to go and be in the room alone?
No, we get to fry every day.
You're never sent off to the dark place where you have to wear the blanket?
No, no blankets.
It's nice being around other flesh humans. You don't have to be lonely on fryersonly.com. Could you show me the inside of Air Fryer?
One sec. Sure.
You're so respectful with each other.
It's all about communication, openness, honesty. So now, Air Fryer's gonna cook the ribs for me. He loves it when I stand them up.
It puts the ribs in the basket.
Make a little rib flour.
Air Fryer brings you flowers. Meaty flowers. Or crown. You're the king of Air Fryer?
I'm the queen of nothing.
Great, put the ribs in.
They're great.
Can we dance and talk?
Why not?
Does Air Fryer like to be plugged in a particular way, and when things don't go Air Fryer's way, you get in trouble and the soap is taken away?
No.
Does Air Fryer hold you at night?
Yes. Although the handle can stick me in the back sometimes.
There are worse things. Tell me what else you like to make with Air Fryer.
Let's get back to the food.
Every day.
Onion rings, chicken wings, pepper things.
Personal pizzas. That sounds like a fun night in. Do you sometimes do things that Air Fryer doesn't like?
We have an agreement. Some nights of the week, I just want to boil.
And Air Fryer's okay with that?
Yes. Yes, he is.
You can make some things crispy in Instant Pot. There's a price to pay. The oil comes out and the mortal flesh is hurt. That doesn't happen for you.
Just an occasional steam scorch.
Where did Air Fryer grow up? Where did Air Fryer go to school? Does Air Fryer have siblings? Can Air Fryer save me? It smells good. It smells like freedom.
Air Fryer always smells nice.
You smell nice too, Mr. Ben Mims.
Thanks.
Instant Pot and I have been talking about getting engaged. I asked, I'm still waiting. You get to decide. Signs point to yes. It's going to be so lovely. They're going to be soft, squishy foods that Instant Pot likes, and only things that Instant Pot likes. It's rib time! Would you like to release the ribs?
Yeah, I think he's ready.
Oh, that's so pretty and crispy in a way that I have not known for a long time. It's a beautiful stack of ribs. Mr. Ben Mims.
I'm gonna put his basket back. He likes to be contained.
He tells you what he likes. He tells you, and then you say yes, and then it's an agreement. Mr. Ben Mims, can we try the ribs?
Yeah, they're ready.
Instant Pot, would you like a rib? This is so crispy and delicious and crunchy in a way that I don't get to have very often. And What? Instant Pot says you have to go now. Instant Pot isn't happy when things are better than what Instant Pot can do. Goodbye, Mr. Ben Mims. Goodbye, Air Fryer. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Let's go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Enjoy those crispy ribs.